So yeah guys, I went for the Rhino Walk soft pannier system. These are super easy to set up. So far I'm liking the system and how easy adaptable it is to the bike and how easy it is to set up. 14 litres on each side, so 28 litres in total. The only thing is with the KTM 890 Adventure R, the best solution I found to setting these up was to remove the side panels completely off the rear. They were just sticking out too much for these to get a comfortable fit. And to be honest, once they're on, it's keeping a natural slimline effect to the bike. So no great shakes when removing the side panels off the back. And to be honest, I wasn't really using those storage compartments for much anyway. So yeah, two main straps on the top there to get the saddlebag actually fitted on, and then you've got two main straps running along the side of the bike that you can weave through the frame of the bike, and then it's onto a quick release system. As you can see, they're fitted on there pretty securely. There's not a lot of movement in them at all. I've already had them out a little bit off-road, and yeah, I'm super impressed with them. Keeping the weight, you know, centre of gravity quite low in the bike as well, which I like. And then once I'm actually on the pegs, they're not interfering with my boots or how I'm standing on the bike and stuff as well. So yeah, super easy to set up. Quite impressed so far. I'll walk you through how I've actually put them onto the bike and see what you think. So you see the main straps across the actual saddle of the bike there. Two main adjustable compartments. Once you get them set up to the length of your seat, etc., you don't have to really touch them again. I've just additionally tried, because they're quite long, tied them off at the top there, and once they're secured on, they're pretty solid. Down onto the side of the bike then, you can see the side strap on there, and it's just a quick release system. I've weaved that through the frame of the 890R, and again they're pretty secure. And then you've got additional straps down the bottom if you wanted to secure additional kit on there. So yeah, super easy to set up from all angles of the bike, and again you've got more straps on at the front there. The actual system for itself, for closing these straps down, so you've got 14 litres on each side like I said, and it's just the old dry bag effect. So once you undo your clips, easy accessible, straight into the bag, and they can be secured down like a dry bag effect, so completely waterproof as well. There's no tapered seams on there, so everything's pretty enclosed and pretty dry. Same the other side, obviously just keeping it up out the way of the exhaust, but yeah, sit on there pretty nicely. I could probably get them a little bit lower, to be honest, if I wanted to, but yeah, overall super impressed. That's the Rhino Walk saddlebags. So far they're doing the job that they're intended to do. They're carrying all the equipment that I want them to, so yeah, happy. Obviously when it comes to packing the bag out, on the left hand side and the right hand side of the bike, I've got the heavier kit on the left hand side there just to counterbalance the weight of the exhaust, and we'll go through all my kit and equipment in a later video. But yeah, if you're in the market for a set of soft panniers and you're looking to keep the agility and a bit of lightweight of the bike, it might be the way to go for you. So yeah guys, super easy system to set up, relatively cheap as well. I bought these at 150 bucks, and yeah, you can go for your Tusk or your Krieger kind of setup, and you're going to spend 500-600 bucks for them. Relatively good kit as well, but you're paying for a name as far as I'm concerned. These are super lightweight, super waterproof, carry all the equipment I need. They're really lightweight, easy to fit on, easy to adjust on the bike, and yeah, if you're in the market for them, it might be the way to go. Guys, I hope you liked the video and I hope you enjoyed the setup. Look forward to the next one, and I'll be doing a bit of the kit and equipment that I carry for the adventure ride and keeping it pretty low weight. Cheers for watching.